Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to change the default save location on Windows 11 so your apps, documents, videos and downloads save to another drive automatically. So let's get started. Firstly, go to Start menu. Here you will search for Settings, open Settings. Now go to System. Here you will click on Storage, then click on Yes. Now scroll down. Here you will see advanced storage setting. Tap on it. Again scroll down. Now you will see where new content is saved. Tap on it. Now here you will see different categories like new apps, new documents, new music, new photos, new movies. For each option, choose the drive where you want to file to save. Like I want to save to volume D apps, and for documents app C, photos and videos also in the D. You can save like this. After selecting the drive, click on apply. Windows will now start using the new location automatically. Now move existing folder, open File Explorer and go to this PC. Right click a folder, like I want to documents, right click on it. Now choose properties. Now tap on locations. Here you will see move. Select, click on move. Now select a folder on another drive like this, then select folder and apply and OK. This helps free up storage on your main drive, and that's how you can change the default save location on Windows 11. Now your files and apps will automatically save to the drive you choose instead of C drive. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Windows 11 tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.